Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert table to text word. First, we are going to open the Word document where you will see the table with the data. There, in the Start menu, click Show Hide to see the paragraph marks. When you do, select the entire table by clicking on the cross sign. Once selected, go to the Layout menu. Here, click Convert to Text. Now leave the tabs box active. When you click OK, you will see that the text will no longer be in the table. You can click Show Hide to hide the marks, and now you can edit the text as you deem necessary. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.